Hey guys, this is how you can get your template share link in Canva. First of all, you need to click on this share button on the top right side here. After that, you can find the template link here. Just click on that one and you will see the link here and you copy this link. To test this, you can go to another Canva website and you can paste the link in. And you will see this is how it's done. It will say a template created by you was shared with that person, and they will see the use template for new designs. That means you are successfully have your template link shared. However, sometimes you will not see this template link immediately. With that, you can scroll down and you click on more. Then you can tap on this search bar, template link. Then it will show you this template link and you can do the same process. Click on template link and copy this link. That's it guys. Then you can share this link to your client and they can work on it. They can rebrand everything and they can use at their own product.